Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode, I want to show you how I make pizza naan from scratch. Before I go ahead and show you the ingredient, I want to tell you that I have another channel that called Cuisine Laila. All my recipes that was in Creole in this channel, Laila's Home Cooking, has been removed. So if you're looking for Creole recipe in this channel, you're not gonna find it. I'm gonna link down below my second channel, which is Cuisine Laila, which you can find easy recipe in Creole at any time. So the link will be down below. Just click on it and go ahead and watch the video and get the recipes as well in the description box. And to make the pizza naan, you're gonna need, first we are going to make the dough for the naan, because that has to be rest for at least 45 minutes. So in this bowl, what I have here is all-purpose flour. I have a little bit of sugar, salt, baking soda, and baking powder. We also need butter softened at room temperature, also plain yogurt, and some warm water. I'm gonna take my wooden spoon and I'm going to mix all of these dry ingredients as we always do, and then just add the butter, the yogurt, and I'm gonna add water. Don't add everything at once, and the ingredient will be down below in the description box as well. You guys can also print it, find it, write it down, and do whatever you want with it. So just give this mixture a good mix. As always, I start with my wooden spoon and then I'm gonna switch by hand. And this is what you're looking for the naan. If you find the dough sticky, always add a little bit of dry flour. So keep the dry flour just beside you. Add a little bit on your working surface, and then just put the dough right here. And then what we are going to do is just use both of your hand and knead the dough very nicely for about 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. Put the dough back in the bowl. I like to add a little bit more dry flour and also on top. Okay, and now all I'm going to do is cover the dough and let it just sit as is. It's not going to double in size because there is no yeast in it, but yes, it has to rest before we go make the pizza naan. Our dough has been resting, and now it's time to go shape the naan. Unwrap the bowl, and then you can preheat your oven at this time 425 degree Fahrenheit, and then get some dry flour ready. Get your rolling pin and a dough cutter, or you can just use a knife. I am going to divide this into 4, so I'm making 4 individual naan. Put your dough here, and this bowl, we don't need this anymore. Put some more dry flour. And now you can see the differences. Now the dough has been rested. Just flat the dough, press it down a little bit, so that way it's easy to cut. Okay, and now try to cut it 4 equal pieces. Okay. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna roll them into round, just like that. And now press down the ball, and then we're gonna roll it. You can do it round or you can do it oval, and that's it. The thickness level will be like about 1 centimeter. Okay, now that I have all my 4 naan has been shaped, I'm gonna show you that I have a large tray, and I have lined this tray with parchment paper and also spread some cornmeal here. And now I'm gonna try to fit them all. Hopefully they're gonna fit. Okay guys, for the topping, you can definitely use anything you like. You can make it pure vegetarian, or you can make it half chicken, half vegetarian. That's up to you. So I have some store-bought pasta sauce here. I have some, I'm using some green olive, little bit of onion dice, lots of spinach, some cooked chicken, and obviously mozzarella. I'm gonna start by spreading this pasta sauce or pizza sauce onto my naan. Next, I'm gonna spread some mozzarella. And then I'm gonna add the cooked chicken. Cook the chicken the way you want. Diced onion, olive, spinach. I just love spinach, so I'm gonna add a lot. And now I'm gonna cover the spinach with more cheese, just because I'm using baby spinach, and baby spinach is raw spinach right here. So if you don't add anything, you just add the spinach on top of everything, and then in the oven the spinach will stay like as is. It's not gonna like cook properly, so the cheese will add on to it like an extra level. So just cover the spinach with cheese. Looking so good. Oven is already preheated. This is going to go in the oven preheated 425 Fahrenheit, and let this bake, and then I'm gonna show you. Guys, this is so beautiful and gorgeous, nice and bubbly, golden, and you can see the spinach is buried in underneath the cheese, so it's not like crispy on top and without cooking. I just want to cut into one naan. Let me just cut this one. I'm just using a pizza cutter, and I'm gonna cut them into 4 pieces. So easily to cut. And then let me show you, and check the bottom, adding the cornmeal. This is so good, guys. I'm not gonna try it right now. This is a recipe you're gonna find, the ingredient you're gonna find in the description box down below. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. I'm not gonna try it right now. This is a recipe you're gonna find, the ingredient you're gonna find in the description box down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. Make this, invite your friend. No, not invite, COVID-19.